Hello my Hive Tribe, it's Queenie Urbane and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing a Victoria's Secret haul. I bought so many new fun summer items as well as nightgowns. I am so excited to show you guys everything that I have purchased. If you like this type of content, be sure to thumbs up this video and subscribe to the channel. If you're a lover of Victoria's Secret just like me, comment below your favorite Victoria's Secret item. Maybe you have something that I have never seen at the store just yet. Here is my bag, my Victoria's Secret bag. I'm so excited to show you guys everything that I have purchased. Let's dive into all the things I purchased from Victoria's Secret. I bought this all at once. Okay, so first I have this amazing cute house robe. This amazing black house robe. I love the detailing at the arms and the bottom is really soft. That's what caught my attention, the style and how soft it is. The material feels definitely like something that will hug your body, so that's why I definitely needed it. It is an extra small and a small, so extra small, small P, that is the size range for this house robe, and I'm in love with it. Next, I got this really cute swimsuit. It has a little over the shoulder action going on, as well as this cute little like I guess like ribbon, not really ribbon, but ruffle action going on around the perimeter of the top of the bathing suit. And the same thing happens with the bottom, as the ruffles are on the sides, which I found really cute, and when I tried it on in the store, I thought it was really cute for my body. So that was my next purchase, a white bathing suit. Following that, I have this black bathing suit top that I didn't like the bottom for, so I didn't get. I got a different bottom for this. I really like this gold detailing in the heartwear. The V with the diamonds looked really pretty, and I just imagine the sunlight whenever I'm at the beach and it's just like, oh, you know, on me, and the gold is really accentuating my brown skin. So really love this. I also liked this part as well. It's just kind of on trend with the like strappy tops lately, and it is really durable, high quality material. Definitely think this will last me a while, and that is very important to me because I go boating a lot, so I definitely need bathing suits that will last. Now this is a bathing suit bottom that I bought to go with this top right here, and it's a really cute combination. It's just a simple bikini with this gold detailing right here of little V's for Victoria's Secret, so I thought that was really cute, and it fits really well. I also like that it's not thong like it kind of covers your whole hind, so I was really intrigued by this because it gives that kind of like showing body without showing body, and that's really the goal that I'm going for. Like, I want to insinuate sexy, not be overly sexy. This bottom really represents that look. Following that, I have this third bathing suit set that I really like. There is this, you know, this is the bra top up here, and then this is supposed to be like a little cover up. The way you style it, it looks like a little like V hanging shirt, which is really cute. And then this is the matching bottom, which has open sides that can be tied to basically close the underwear. I love this little cute VS Hardware logo right here in the hiney area. That is really cute. So I just felt like this would look really cute. It has a little cute pop of color, and it gives like a little bit of a like vineyard look, which I'm really into. I have some nightgowns that I got that I'm obsessed with and I cannot wait to wear. So let me show you guys. Okay, so I have this bathing suits. So I have this nightgown set right here, and it's hard to kind of show, but the top is basically a regular almost like a bra type top, you know, without any padding, though there isn't any padding. It is a purple velvet material, which feels absolutely amazing on my fingers. And it has gold detailing, gold chain right here with diamonds on it, and this looked so sexy on a mannequin. That's why I literally wanted it. Like, as soon as I walked in the store, this was the outfit on the mannequin, and I asked the lady, can I take that off the mannequin and buy it? And she said absolutely. So then the chain goes down to this like skirt right here, and then that is the whole outfit. So it's basically like a two-piece connected by a rhinestone gold chain, and it is just really cute. I thought it was very Y2K. I could wear this to sleep, I could wear this out, I could wear this anywhere and like literally look fabulous, feel fabulous. And this one was pretty pricey. So this is my next sleep gown. It is so pretty. The material is that velvet material like the last one, which I thought was really amazing. And I'm obsessed with it. I love sleeping in that material. The back of this is really, really my favorite. Like, I love how it's like kind of has this little neck detail up here, and then it basically forms this cute little diamond down your back until it like comes back together again, so your back is exposed in this dress, and it's really pretty. It is really form-fitting as well, which I really, really liked, because who doesn't want to sleep looking glamorous? That's how I feel. Like, whenever you go to sleep feeling glamorous, you wake up feeling glamorous. So investing in like cuter sleepwear is always the vibe. Love it. I cannot wait to wear it. Next after that, I have another purple sleeping gown. However, this gown needs to be returned because it is not my size. It's a little too small. I'm also not going to try this on camera because this part exposes the areolas. So this is just for me, or when I have my little boo or whatever and I want to be all cute. That's when I intend to wear something like this. Otherwise, I just wouldn't really wear it to sleep, just because my chest is all out. But I like it. This is really, really cute. Same thing with the material, that same beautiful material. Like, guys, I wish you can feel it. It feels so soft and silky and like high end. Like, this literally feels high end, and it is, honestly, because VS is not known for being cheap in their lingerie. They're known for being like reliable and steady and super sexy. Next, I got some beach slippers, just because I needed beach slippers. I need flip-flops. I own a lot of heels, and I wear heels all the time, and I'm trying to get more into sandals and flats because I realized that I literally have nothing else but heels. And you know, heels are not always clearly the most comfortable. I was just always willing to inconvenience myself, but it makes no sense for me to be like heels at the beach or on a boat. So I really needed some summer flip-flops, and that's what I got. I got this cute pair from Victoria's Secret. As you know, Victoria's Secret doesn't really come in like a size 8, size 9. It just kind of like 8/9 or 9/10, you know, like that's the sizing range. So I just got these in my size, and they're just simple, cute. They say Havaianas on them rather than Victoria's Secret like it usually does, but I guess Havaianas is a new line that Victoria's Secret is opening, a new beach line. I'll confirm below after I edit this video. But yeah, new flip-flops. I cannot wait to wear these. Last but not least, I just got 2 simple bras that I also need to return because I didn't get it in the right size. So I'll be going to Victoria's Secret this week to literally get the right size, but I still really like these bras. They're cute push-up bras that are heavily padded up here, but lacy in the front. Like, this is the material and this is the pad, but it's not, I love bras like this rather than bras that like the pad comes out, because I always end up losing them in a washing machine, and then the bra is basically useless by then. So I'm so glad that this bra just isn't that much, like, doesn't have that type of padding. I really like that. I also love the gold detailing, the gold detailing and hard wires. I never really noticed how much like Victoria's Secret is really like a gold girl. Like, they're not really that into silver. Like, their color is legit gold. And you know, I'm here for it. I like that. So this is really cute. And the thing is, oh my god, this bra is not even in my size and it's too small for me. You know, I should have got tested by the people in the store. I was told before that Victoria's Secret has a completely different like measurement, but this bra is literally a bigger size than my size and it still doesn't fit me. That's crazy. But Victoria's Secret lightly lined padded bra. And I really love the V in the front to let you know that it is Vicky's baby. Same with this one, except for there is no V. The pad is inside, so it won't come out in the shower, and it seems really, really durable. I really enjoy, you know, the texture of this bra. I feel like it will last a long time. Okay, the signature gold V is right there as well. On the side though, not in the front. So definitely like this type of bra. It's very inconspicuous, like when you're about to start doing your little beauty time and your little when you're about to start doing your little fun time with your boo or whatever, and then he just like subtly notices that you got the V on the bra. You know, that's the vibe this gives, and I love that. I love like low-key things like that. Those was the last clothing items, and then I bought one perfume. I did open the perfume already, so unfortunately you guys will not get to see me unbox, but this perfume is so good. It has to be from a new collection. Victoria's Secret Bombshell Sun Drenched. Now I know that Victoria's Secret Bombshell, like the natural regular perfume, the pink one, is not new, but I've never seen this scent before. I've never seen this variation of it, and guys, it smells so freaking good. Like, it literally just smells like oranges, sun, and citrus. Feminine, good, fragrant, and it really just smells like summer. Like a cute brunch date somewhere outdoors with a nice mimosa or really good margarita. And that is everything that I bought at Victoria's Secret. That came up to $691. But I am so happy to have all these things. I thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next one.